when I started Mounjaro, I was 104 kilos. So my doctor put me on 2.5 milligrams, which is literally the lowest starting dose. And in my head, I was like, okay, this is just the adjustment month. Let's not expect anything dramatic. I honestly thought maybe I'll lose 1 kilo, 2 if I'm lucky. Fast forward 30 days, I step on the scale, it says 98. I step off, I step back on, still 98. 6 kilos down. And that too on the starter dose. And I just stood there staring at the scale like, what just happened? But before you think this is some smooth, magical transformation story, let me tell you the full picture. This month was not glamorous. It had constipation, it had doubt, it had even one hospital visit. And it had something called food noise that changed in a way I did not expect. So let's break this down properly. Before that, if you're new here, I'm documenting my medically supervised Mounjaro journey in India. I'm not a doctor, I'm not promoting anything. I'm just a working professional who was tired of losing and gaining the same weight over and over again. So if you're on this journey too, subscribe because I'm sharing this week by week, honestly. At 104 kilos, I was exhausted. Not just physically, mentally as well. You know that cycle, right? You think about food, you open the app, you scroll, you add to cart, then you delete, then you add again, you convince yourself you deserve it, you order, then you eat, you feel amazing for 20 minutes, then regret it for 2 hours. And then you say, from tomorrow I'll be a good girl, right? That was my life. Not once, not twice, but for years. I didn't wake up one day and randomly decided to try Mounjaro. I was admitted due to an emergency, underwent proper medical evaluation, and after assessment, my doctor advised starting Mounjaro. It wasn't cosmetic, it wasn't impulsive, but it was supervised. And that distinction is important. We talked about risks, side effects, and expectations, and I started 2.5 milligram. Now, let me be very honest. Week 1 was not at all glamorous. Everyone talks about loose motion. I didn't get that. I got constipation, like full system protest. Nobody makes aesthetic Instagram reels about that part. There was bloating, there was mild nausea, there was fatigue, and mentally, that week messes with you. Every small body sensation feels dramatic when you've just started a new medication. I kept thinking, did I mess something up? Is this normal? Should I stop? That doubt phase is real. After my first dose, something happened quickly. My appetite dropped. And I remember feeling very excited, honestly excited actually. In my head, I was thinking, bas appetite kam ho gaya, ab weight fast kam hoga. And that was my first mistake. Over the next few days, I had nausea, constipation, fatigue. But because I wasn't feeling hungry, I didn't push myself to eat properly. Some days my intake was under 400 calories. And I genuinely believed that this was a good sign. Mujhe laga, the less I eat, the faster the weight I will drop, right? What I didn't understand at that time was the difference between appetite suppression and proper nutrition. GLP-1 reduces hunger. It does not remove your body's need for fuel. भूख कम होना और nutrition कम होना दोनों अलग चीजें हैं, and I learned that the hard way. Now yes, during this month I did have a hospital visit as well, and I want to say this clearly and responsibly. This was not some dramatic Mounjaro ruined my body situation. But when you start a new medication, anything unusual has to be evaluated properly. It reminded me that this is not a casual weight loss hack. This is a prescription medication. It must be supervised, it must be monitored, and you have to accept it. That experience actually made me more disciplined about hydration, diet, and follow-ups. Okay, now let me show you my pictures. This was me at 104 kilos, and this is my current measurements at 98 kilos. 6 kilos in 30 days on 2.5 milligrams. And what I love most, it doesn't feel extreme. I'm not starving. I'm not doing crazy workouts. I'm not obsessing over food. My appetite reduced, my cravings reduced, my portions reduced. That's it. For years, I thought I just didn't have the willpower, and now I'm starting to realize maybe it wasn't willpower completely, maybe it was biology. When the food noise reduces, especially, decision making becomes easier. And that mental peace, it's powerful. Please understand, this is my personal experience under medical supervision. This is not magic, this is not casual, and this is not something to self start without a doctor. Side effects are real, monitoring is real, but for me, month one has been transformative. 104 kilos to 98 kilos, 1 month on the lowest dose, with lessons, with adjustments, with responsibility. I'm continuing into month two. If you are on Mounjaro too, comment your experience below. And if you want honest weekly updates, subscribe because this journey is just getting interesting.